Once you remove the impactor from the crater, you can measure its diameter and depth. For this, you will place the hole in the center of the crater measuring tool right on top of the deepest point of the crater, which from my perspective is around here. Then, you're going to use the rule to measure the diameter in centimeters for each axis A and B. I'll find the points the flower is touching the tool and measure the distance between these 2 points. In this case, the diameter on B is 6.5 centimeters and the diameter on A is 6.4 centimeters. I'll record the measurements in the spreadsheet and then use the toothpick to measure the depth of the crater. I'll gently place the toothpick until it touches the flower and then gently remove it. I'll then measure the length of the segment of the toothpick that went inside the crater in centimeters again. I'll record this measurement in the spreadsheet as well.